You have cystic acne, comedonal acne, blackheads, whiteheads, or your skin is acne prone. If you have clogged pores and redness and nothing is working for you, then watch this video till end. I'll tell you how to treat acne overnight, and if I'm saying overnight, then yes, the layering combination I'm going to tell you about works overnight. So without wasting our time, let's quickly start the video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I made videos related to beauty, skincare, travel, daily vlogs, lifestyle and more. To know about my channel, you can explore my YouTube page. Now let's come back to the point. So today I'll be talking about Plum 2% encapsulated salicylic acid serum, but before that, let me tell you about my skincare type. Then I'll talk about what the salicylic acid is, what it does, and what could be the best possible layering options with this. First of all, let me tell you about my skin type. So my skin is supremely oily, acne prone by nature, but sometimes due to R&D with so many actives, it becomes dry and flaky. So basically sometimes it's dry acne prone and sometimes it's oily acne prone. Now let's talk about salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid or BHA, and it is derived from willow tree. Now let's talk about salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid or BHA, and it is derived from willow tree. It is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is used in various dermatological treatments like acne treatment, psoriasis, clogged pores, comedonal acne, blackheads, whiteheads. Now let's talk about the work of salicylic acid. The primary work of salicylic acid is pore exfoliation, and also it's oil soluble. That means it works on oils of on your face. It attracts oily pores and it penetrates deep in your pores and break down the buildup, and also helps in minimizing the acne size. Now the question comes, who can use this? So please listen here so carefully. If you have super oily acne prone skin, you have hormonal cystic acne, comedonal acne, blackheads, whiteheads, bumpy skin, close your eyes and trust me, order 1 bottle of salicylic acid and watch this video till end to know layering options. So till here it's very clear that if you have oily skin, salicylic acid is best option for exfoliation. Now let's talk about the product itself. So it comes in cardboard packaging like this, where all the details are mentioned. Retails for rupees 599 for 30 ml of product, and the shelf life is 6 months. So if you have to use it within 6 months after opening this, and I ordered this from their website on, I think, buy one get one offer or some kind of offer going on. I bought this from there. So you can check the full ingredients list over here. Basically it is 2% encapsulated salicylic acid, which means encapsulation technology ensures sustained release of salicylic acid to the skin, making it more effective and stable. Another beautiful ingredient is chlorophyll, which is a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that calms and soothes the inflammation. The ingredient is prickly pear extract, which is packed with essential fatty acids that supports skin barrier by hydrating and improving its elasticity. It also has rose flower water and is fragrance free, cruelty free, which I totally support, and it doesn't contain any animal derived ingredients, and also it's paraben free. Now let's talk about the texture. It's clear water like formula, very lightweight, quick absorbing, and also non-sticky. So now let me tell you how I use this. So I have tried for 2 layering combinations with this and both worked for me. So here I want to tell you one thing very honestly, that I have used this only at night. It's written on the bottle that you can use it twice in AM and PM, but I never used this in my AM routine. I have always used this in my PM routine. So the first layering combination is salicylic acid with niacinamide. Like in my PM routine, I double cleanse my face, then pat it dry after that I first use salicylic acid, let it dry for a few seconds, then apply niacinamide on top of that. And since salicylic acid is drying in nature, I use thick moisturizer, usually those moisturizers formulated for dry skin, and next day I can see an obvious difference on my on my acne size. The combo shrinks the acne size overnight. Bigger one becomes extremely small and the smaller one disappears. I have seen visible difference on my blackheads. I have not seen any visible difference on my pores overnight, but after using it for a longer period of time I can feel less visible pores. So this is the beauty of first combo. For niacinamide I use plum niacinamide and rice water, which is 10%. I always have used 10% niacinamide with this. You can also use 5% if your skin is super sensitive. I have uploaded a full review on plum's niacinamide, you can check that out too. Let's talk about second layering combination, and this is also for closed comedones, blackheads, whiteheads, cystic, hormonal acne. Basically both the layering combinations are for same problem. So in my PM routine I first double cleanse the face, then I apply salicylic acid on dry face, and then I apply aziderm. This is azelaic acid 10%. They give you tingling sensation, but that's completely normal. Please always do a patch test before. So now let's move on to the topic. So this combo I always do when I have not active acne. This works on active acne, but I usually do it when I have comedonal acne, and next day you can see visible result. So what I do is once a week I use salicylic acid with niacinamide, and after 2 to 3 days in same week I use salicylic acid plus azelaic acid. And always keep in mind to use a thick hydrating moisturizer or facial oil on top of both the combos, no matter what skin type you are, because thick moisturizers are must, else you will end up with broken barrier or dry flaky skin. I have always used salicylic acid with 10% azelaic acid, not more than that. And if you are totally newbie here, so start this your skincare game with lower concentration and slowly and gradually increase the concentration. In my weekly routine, when I have excessive flare-ups, I use this routine 3 times a week. But if everything is fine, there is nothing on my face, I use this only once a week in winters and twice a week in summer and monsoon. So these are my routine. I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment below. See you soon in the next video. Bye.